Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix unable to remove there is an active subscriptions on this account that requires at least one payment on file. So guys, if you're trying to remove your payment method in your iPhone, in your Apple ID, and you are unable to remove it and you are facing this pop-up again and again whenever you are trying to remove your payment method, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all, go back to your home screen and now you have to open settings in your device, and from here you have to tap on your profile, and from here scroll it below and tap on subscriptions from here. So guys, tap on subscriptions, and from here you will see all your subscriptions on your iPhone in your Apple ID. So guys, you have to simply cancel all subscriptions on your iPhone, and after this you have to go back and now you have to go to your payment method from here, and from here you will be able to remove your payment method from here very easily. So guys, you have to simply cancel all your subscriptions from your Apple ID, and after this you will be able to remove your payment method very easily on your iPhone. So guys, hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.